Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to see chapter number 2, fraction and decimal, exercise number 2.2. Okay, in the previous video we had already completed question number 1, 2 and 3. So dear student, here we are going to start question number 4. So what is the question number 4 says? 1 by 2 of the circles in box, okay, shade. Here we have to shade the box 1 by 2. 1 by 2, that means half of the circle, half of the box is shaded. So how many total number of circles are there? 3, 3, 6, 9 and 12. 12 circles is there. So 12 will be half. So it means 1 and here 6. So 6 circles, 6 boxes will be, 6 circles will be shaded. Clear? So here is the answer for the shading. We have to shade the 6 boxes. Clear everyone? So here is just half of the boxes is shaded. Now in the second part, 2 by 3 of the triangle in the box. So 2 by 3, that means more than half, isn't it? So here how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 triangles are there. So out of 9 triangles, 6 will be shaded. Clear everyone? How to do? That is 2 by 3. And how many triangles? 9 triangles are there. So get calculation. So how many? 6. So how many triangles you are going to shade? 6 triangles you have to going to shade in this. Have you understood how we are doing? Suppose half is said that half of the circle is shaded and total number of circles are 12. That total number of circles will be multiplied with half. So it will become 6. So here 6 circles are shaded. In the same way, 2 by 3 into how many total triangles are there? Total triangles are 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 triangles are there. Get cancelled. Okay, so again 6 triangles is shaded. Now in the third part, how many? 3 by 5 we have to shade. So how many total squares are there? There are 15 total squares, isn't it? So it will be get cancelled. So 3 into 3, 9. So here 9 squares are shaded. Clear everyone? Like this you have to do it. Now in the fifth question it is said that find 1 by 2 of 24 and 46. So dear student, what do you mean by of? Of, that means multiplication. So here 1 by 2 of 24, first part. Okay, so 1 by 2 into 24. So 1s and 12s 24. By the table of 2 we had cancelled. So what is the answer coming for the first part? That is 12. Clear? Now seeing for the second part of the question, what is said? 1 by 2 of, that means multiplication, into 46. So 2 1s and 2, 4 comes in the table of 2. How many times? 2 times. 6 comes in the table of 2. How many times? 3 times. So what will be the answer? That is 23 is the answer. So have you understood how to solve this question? So only just you have to do the multiplication, nothing more than that. One more question we will see for the B part. Here it is said that 2 by 3 of that means into 18. So 3 1s and 3 6s. Now 2 into 6 will become 12. So again the answer is coming as 12. Now for the second part, we are having 2 by 3 into 27. So 3 1s and 3 9s are 27. So 2 into 9 will become how much? 2 into 9 will become, here this one is 2 or 3, let me check first. Okay, yes, it is 2 by 3. So here 3 1s and 3 9s are 27. So 2 into 9 will become 18. So what is the required answer we will get? First part, when we are going to multiply, we will get the answer as 12, and when we are going to multiply the second part, we will get the answer as 18. Clear everyone? Now C and D part is given on the screen. Please go through it. It's a very simple one. Just you have to do the multiplication and cancel it with the denominator. Now Next question we are having question number 6. Now in question number 6 it is said that multiply and express as a mixed fraction. So dear student, you have to multiply and express as a mixed fraction. So what is the first number? 3 into 5, 1 by 5 we are having. So this is the this is the mixed fraction form, whole into a whole, numerator upon denominator. So the formula will be whole into denominator plus numerator upon denominator. This is the formula only to change the mixed fraction form into improper fraction form. So we are going to first change it. Okay, so 3 into 5, 1 by 5 we are having this. So 3 into 5 plus 1 upon 5. So 5 into 5 will be 25. 25 plus 1 will be 26 upon 5. Clear? Now 26 will be cancelled by 5? No, it won't be get cancelled. So if it is not get cancelled, 26 will be multiplied with 3. We will get as 78 upon 5. Okay, now 78 upon 5 we have to change it into a mixed fraction form. So divide it and see. So here 5 ones are, okay, here what is left? 2 is left, 28, 25, 5s are here 3. So how to change? This is 78 is divided, isn't it? So that will be changed as 15 3 by 5, as 5 is the denominator, dividend, isn't it? Sorry, divisor, and 15 is the not remainder, quotient, and 3 is the remainder. So 15 3 by 5 will be there. So like this way you have to solve it. Clear? In the same way for the B part we are having the solution, that is 5 into 6 3 by 4. So 5 into 6 into 4 plus 3 upon 4. Okay, so 5 into 6 4s are will become how much? 24. 24 plus 3 will become how much? 27. So 24 plus 3 upon 4. So 5 into 27 upon 4. Now again it won't get cancelled, the numerator and denominator. So this 5 will be multiplied with 27. We will get the required answer as 135 upon 4. When 135 upon 4 we are going to divide it, we will get the answer in the mixed fraction form, that is 33 3 by 4. Clear? So rest other solutions is given on the screen. Please go through the solutions. If any doubt will be there, ask to me directly. Clear? Next question, question number 7. Question number 7, here it is said that find, that means you have to do the multiplication again. So 1 by 2 into, first part is 2 3 by 4. So mixed fraction form you have to change it into improper fraction, that is 2 into 4 plus 3 upon 4. So here it becomes 2 into 4 is 8. Okay, 8 plus 3 upon 4. Then 1 by 2 into 8 plus 3 is how much become? 8, 9, 10, 11 upon 4, isn't it? So here it become 11 upon 8. Now 11 upon 8. If we want to change it into a mixed fraction form, it will become 1 3 by 8. Clear? So in this way you have to find out. In the same way for the second part also you have to do. Okay, what is the second part? 1 by 2 will be multiplied with 4 2 by 9. So 4 9s are 4 9s is 36. 36 plus 2 36. 36 plus 2 will be 38 upon 9. So 38 upon how much? It will be 18, isn't it? Now it will be get cancelled by the table of 2, isn't it? So it will become 19 upon 9. Now when we are going to change it into a mixed fraction form, it will become 2 1 upon 9. So dear student, you have to solve the question B part in the same way. It is not a very difficult question. It's a very simple and easiest part. Next we are having question number 8. In the question number 8 we can see that Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mothers gave them a water bottle that contains 5 liter of water. That means Vidya and Pratap are going for the picnic, and their mother given them a water bottle, which the quantity of water bottle containing the water is 5 liter. Vidya consumed 2/5 of the water and Pratap consumed the remaining water. So here question asks that consuming, that means they had already drank the water. How much water did Vidya drink? What fraction of the total quantity of water did the Pratap drink? So dear student, here what we were going to do, total quantity of the water in the bottle is how much? 5 liter. So Vidya consumed 2/5 liter of the bottle, isn't it? So 2/5 into 5 is, so it will become how much? 5 will get cancelled, so it will become 2 liter. How much it will become? 2 liter. In the same way, Vidya drank 2 liters of water from the bottle. Clear? Why it is so? Because 2/5 of the water, that means of the water, that means bottle containing 5 liters. So 2/5 of 5. Of means multiplication to 2/5 into 5. So it will be 2 liter. Clear? Then Pratap. What is about Pratap? Now let's see about Pratap. Here Pratap consumed the remaining. Remaining it is consuming. जो बचा है उसको प्रताप ने पिया. So 1 minus 2/5. Why? 2/5 is already drank by her sister Vidya. Then what is the quantity left? Only one bottle is there. So 1 minus 2/5. So here 5 minus 2 upon 5. So here it will become 3/5 of the bottle. Clear? 3/5 of the bottle, that means 3/5 into 5 liter. So 3 liter. So how much Pratap is going to drink the water that is 3/5 of the total quantity, that is 3 liters. Clear? So here we had completed exercise 2.2. Now we are going to see the exercise 2.3. First question. So here again a simple multiplication is there, student. That is 1 or 2 question I will tell you, rest other you have to do with your own. First 1/4 is going to be multiplied with 1/4, A part. Okay. So it will become 1/8. Then again 1/4 is going to be multiplied with 3/5. So it become 3 upon 3 5s are 20. Clear? Then again in the C part 1/4 is multiplied with 4/3. Okay. So here we will get the answer 4 upon 4 into 3 will be 12. Clear, student? So one correction you have to make over here. The correction is, here the question is 3/5, isn't it? And here in this solution part it is written 3/4. So here make the correction, the denominator will be 5. So here again 5. So here this will be 20 comes. Clear? Be very careful while doing the multiplication. Understood? So when 1/4 will be going to be multiplied with 1/4, we will get the answer as 1/8. When 1/4 is going to be multiplied with 3/5, we will get 3/20. When 1/4 is multiplied with 4/3, we will get the answer as 4 upon 12. Clear, student? So in this way you have to do the second part also. Second part is also a very simple one. What is 1/7 is going to be multiplied with 2/9. That answer will be 2 upon 63. Okay. Then 1/7 will multiplied here 1/7 will going to be multiplied with 2 upon 9. That will be 2 upon 63. Then 1/7 will multiplied upon 6 upon 5. The answer will be 6 upon 35. Again 1/7 will multiplied by 3/10. The answer will be 3 upon 70. Clear? So in this way you have to do the simple multiplication. The next question number 2, multiply and reduce to the lowest form if possible. If possible मतलब अगर हो सके तो. Okay, so here we are having the question number 2, which is asked to do the multiplication and we have to reduce to the lowest form. So first A part, we are having the question 2/3 into 2 by 3. So first we are going to convert into a improper fraction. So 2 into 3 plus 2 upon 3. So 2 by 3 into 2 into 3 will be 6. 6 plus 2 is 8 upon 3. Okay. Now multiply it. It will become 16 upon 9. Now 16 upon 9 we are going to change into mixed fraction form. It will become 7 upon 9. This answer. Clear? Have you understood up to here? In the same way, the second part we are going to do. Second part is 2 upon 7 into 9, 7 upon 9. That's a direct question. Okay. So 7 will get cancelled. 2 upon 9 we will have the answer. Clear? Then the next one, third part. Third part is 3 upon 8 into 6 upon 4. So 3 upon 8 into 6 upon 4. So 8 4 times 3 6 3 times. 6 will be 3 times. So 3 3 is a 9 and 4 4 is a 16. Clear? So in this way you have to do the rest other part. It's a very simple one. It's just a multiplication, nothing more than that. Okay. So the last part of the question is seventh one, 4 upon 5 into 12 upon 7. So here 4 into 12 will be 48 and 5 into 7 will be 35. When it will be changes to reduced mixed fraction form, it will become 113 upon 35. Clear? Next question number 3. In question number 3, it is said that multiply the following fraction. Again a simple multiplication is there, student, not a very difficult one. I will tell you the first, second part, then rest other part try to do with your own. So 2 by 5 into 5, 1 by 4 is there. So 2 by 5 into 2, 4 5s is 20, 20 plus 1 is 21 upon 4. Directly I had changed the mixed fraction form into improper fraction. So it will become 2 by 5 into 21 upon 4. Here we can cancel the number. Here it will be 2 and 1s. So 21 upon 10. Can change it into the mixed fraction form as 2 1 by 10 is the answer. Clear? Second part also the same. 6 2 by 5 into 7 upon 9 is there. So 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2 is 32 upon 5 into 7 upon 9. Isn't it? Now multiply, you will get the required answer as 224 upon 45. When you are going to change into a mixed fraction form, it will become 444 upon 45. Clear? So here we are going to do all the question one by one. It's a simple multiplication question, not very complicated. Okay. So try to do every questions with your own. Question number 4. Which is a greater 2 by 7 of 2 by 7 of 2 by 7 of, that means into 3 by 4. So it will become 6 upon, since in this question it is said off, isn't it? Here between off and again off is there. So 24 28. So 7 into 4 will be 28. Okay. Then in this part, that is 3 upon 5 into 5 by 8. So 3 5s are 15 and 5 8s is 40. Can see? Now also we can say that 6 upon 28 will get cancelled by the table of 2. It will become 3 and here it will become 14. Okay. 15 upon 14 will get cancelled by the table of 5, 3 and here 40, that means 8. Isn't it? Now we can say that which one is greater, it is asked. So 3 upon 14 or 3 upon 8. Which one is greater? This one is greater. Clear everyone? So in this way you have to see the greater part for this. Question number 5th. Shelly plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between the two adjacent saplings is 3/4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. So the distance between the two adjacent saplings is 3/4 meter. It is already given in the question, isn't it? In the question it is given that the distance between the two saplings is 3/4. Okay, here given the answer. Then therefore the distance between the first and the last saplings, it is 3 saplings are there. So 3 into 3/4. So it will become 9/4. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में चेंज करने पर 2 1/4 मीटर हो जाएगा. ओके, thus the distance between the last saplings will be 2 1/4 meter. Clear everyone? Next question. Lipika reads a book for 3/4 hours. How much time Lipika is used to take to read the book is 3/4 hours. So we are going to change into an improper fraction. So it will become how much? So 1 into 4 will be 4. 4 plus 3 will be 7/4 hours. Okay. She read the entire book in 6 days. How many days that books is going to be completed? Within 6 days. How many hours will be she read to required by her to read the book? So as we know that Lipika, time taken by Lipika to read the book is 3/4 hours. So if we are going to change it into improper fraction, it will become 7/4 hours. She takes how many days? 6 days is being taken by her. So 7/4 into 6. So here 2s are, here 3s are. 3 into 7 will be 21 and denominator 2 will be as it is. Now this 21 upon 2 we got. Now 21 upon 2 will be changes into mixed fraction form. It will become 10 1/2. Thus 10 1/2 hours is required to read the complete book. Okay. Then next question. A car runs 16 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it covers using 2 3/4 liters of petrol? So as we know that how much distance is covered? 16 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. 2 3/4 liter. That means 2 into 4 plus 3 upon 4. So it will be 8. 8 plus 3 will be 11. 11 upon 4. ओके. ना अगर 1 लीटर पेट्रोल में 16 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल कर रहा है तो 2 3/4 दैट इज लीटर्स में हाउ मेनी डिस्टेंस इट विल बी कवर. सो इट विल बी चेंजेस एज 11/4. Okay, when we are going to change this mixed fraction form into improper fraction, it will become 11/4 into 16. Okay. Now here 1s are, 4 1s are and 4 4s are 16, isn't it? So 11 into 4 will become 44 kilometers. So how much distance will it going to be take? That is 44 distance. Thus the car will covers 44 kilometers distance. Clear everyone? Next question we are having. Here the question is, provide the number in the box such that 2/3 into dash to get 10/30. So that number is, what the number? It will be 5/10. Simplest form of the number obtained is 5/10 को simplest form क्या होगा? 1/2. Then in the same way for the B part, 3/5 will be multiplied by which number to get the answer? 24/75. So that number is 8/15 and the simplest form of 8/15 will be 8/15 itself because it will not get divisible. The numerator and denominator will not get divisible. That's why. Okay. So dear student, for today, thank you everyone. Tomorrow we will have the new exercise. If any doubt is there, please ask me through the WhatsApp number. Thank you.